Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my Allure Beauty Box subscription for May 2023. That's a tongue twister. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have not opened this box. I literally received it yesterday. Today's May 11th, so I received it May 10th, Mexican Mother's Day. Thank you, God. All I did was take off the tape here. So this is the first. I don't remember what. I did look it up. I don't remember what's in it. Okay, it comes like this. It says We Know Beauty Best. Comes with a little pamphlet that shows you what each product is for. Make sure I have this shot in. Okay. Comes with these little cards. Of course, promoting next month's beauty box for kids. I mean, for dads and grads, it says. Okay. Now comes with a dry shampoo, sample size dry shampoo. It is, can you see this? It is Eva New York City, NYC. And this is powered by rice starch and argan oil. Revives, freshens, and absorbs oil. Very nice. Let's see. Spray it. It does smell like argan oil. Very nice. Let's see. I just washed my hair yesterday, so I'm not very much oily. You can try it. It is a little powdery, but it smells really good. Very nice. Smells nice. Okay. Next thing we got here is this one. This is the Badass MF Matte Filler Lip Liner. I've never even heard of this brand. Did I do that? It is in color Ross. I know, I love getting these subscription boxes because I love to, we just try out new items, new stuff, and also whatever I don't try, I really use it for little gifts, which I really love. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. It's nice color. Let's see. Oh, nice and smooth. Nice. It's sort of a cinnamon reddish color. Very pretty. Nice. Wow. Next is REFY. What is it? A brow pomade. Let's see. Get this little goodie. Comes like this. Cute. Ooh, it's double-ended. Wait a minute here. Oh. Whoops. What the? Should I read the instructions? Maybe I should read the instructions. What do you think? Ooh. Oh, I get it. Oh, I get it. So it comes like this, and you dip it in here. Oh, I already have a little bit of powder. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Oops. This is lovely. This is lovely. See that? Dip it in there. It's sort of a powdery jelly pomade. Very nice. It holds my eyebrows together. Ooh, nice. Huh. Oh, very nice. Oh, a little strong for me, but it's actually super nice. Love it. You guys check this out on your own. It's really nice. Oh, I should do a little swatch. Dip it in there and you see that. Very cool. Let's see, what else did we get? I love this. This is so handy if you're traveling, you just take this with you. This is amazing. Amazing, amazing. Okay, next. Oh, okay. This is the B3 Nice from Sunday Riley. 10% niacinamide serum. Comes like this. 10% niacinamide serum. Wow. This is a water-based 10% niacinamide serum supercharged with resveratrol, reduces the look of pore size, surface redness, and blotchy tone for balanced, clearer looking radiance. Oh, nice. I love that. This is a full size. Amazing. Remember, I subscribe to this monthly, and it's roughly $25. Well, tax and all, including, it includes shipping. It's $27 total. So this is really sweet. This is, oh my God, hold on. I can't get it out. Okay, good. Okay, I'll just do it on this other hand. Full size. I really don't know what the price is. Let me see. What the retail price for this, it's 1 fluid ounce. It is $65. Very nice. This serum can be used day and night. After cleansing, simply apply sealing moisture with the face cream and you're good to glow. Oh, why are you drinking? Oh, there it goes. Ooh, it is serumy. Whoop, it's gonna fall. There it goes. It has no scent, but you see that? Very nice. Like it. Oh, good job, Allure Beauty Box. Good job. I love the packaging as well. Such a nice packaging. Like it. And what else did I get? Oh, okay. These are your blemish hero. Just a blemish patch. I think we all know what these are. And the last item is a revitalizing mask for lifting and firming. Kibon. Let's see what the thing says. I always lick my fingers. I keep doing it. Here it is. For a just come home from spa glow. Pop on this sheet mask. It's infused with tons of hydrating, soothing ingredients to give your complexion a quick pick-me-up, including sweet almond extract, blue agave extract, and sodium hyaluronate. That last one bath plumps and moisturizes to help minimize the look of fine lines while adding dewiness. Says wear the mask for 15 to 20 minutes and then massage any serum it leaves behind into your skin for extra hydration. This retails for $13 at KibonBeauty.com. Very nice. And I think I'll try this mask tomorrow. That'd be nice. Okay. So that's it. I really liked all the products that came in. I'm really happy about it. I'm really happy about, of course, the Sunday Riley serum. I'm really going to enjoy this one. I think I'll do a, I guess a wear test on this. I think would be a good idea to do a wear test on this. And I think with skincare, I think I need to do probably like a month wear test just to see the difference in my skin texture and how it's improved or not improved. That's a good one. I really like the shampoo because, you know, as girls, we don't wash our hair every single day, so this really helps. I love, 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 love this eyebrow pencil, eyebrow filler. Really impressed with this. Very unique idea, and it's portable. I think it's amazing. I really like this one. And let me see. Well, you know, a lip liners. This is a very soft formula, I think, and it's a nice color, so I do like that one too. All in all, it was a good month for Allure Beauty Box. Thank you, and I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed watching all the products that I received, and keep on watching. Please subscribe and sign up for those notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye.